Alright, guys. Hello. So today we're going to make an easy game in Scratch, and I hope it's going to be easy for you guys. So make sure to like the video and sub. And you guys know what to do. So let's get started. First, you can either choose Sprite or Paint one. Uh, anyway, first delete the first sprite and then choose the sprite. So it can be anything. So the ball first we need someone who has to dodge our game, like dodge the balls. So first we need any type of thing, like something a ball would hit. Let's see. Um, okay, I don't want it to be like weird, so I'll just take something like. Um, uh, uh, Okay, so it's not passions. So let's take anything for example. Let's take this soccer ball. All right. So once we bring it to the center, we just have to either resize it or you can do whatever. And then you can just choose any backdrop, whatever it has to be. Let's just keep it the blue sky for now and make sure that this is in the center. Next thing, we need anything that should hit, like the football or soccer ball is going to go hit some other thing, and if that hits, and then the game is over. So we can take the ball because well, it is a ball. Now the ball has to be smaller than this, so we can either make this one big or we can make the other one small. Either way, it's fine. Okay. Okay. So in this case, we have a ball. I mean, we have an object, and then we have the attacking thing, whatever. It's- So to start off, we need when green flag click, green flag click, and then now this is something I call a forever loop. So it is like it's like a set of instructions that work when you do something. So if you put if then and a forever loop right there, then you can just set it to anything. And you may not be getting what I meant, but so if you go to sensing and you find this key dash press and you choose anything over here, for example up, then we can make sure that whenever up is pressed, whatever inside this happens. So let's take set y change y by 10. So that will be like when screen flag click, once I press up, it goes up. Okay, so that's done. It always goes up. Next thing, we also need to go down. So we can just simply make another forever loop under this forever thing. Sorry. So in this, we can just directly, instead of another forever loop, you can just add another if then and do the same thing for down. Put it to down. And instead of change y by 10, we can change y, that is y, okay, change y by minus 10. So in this way, we have an up-down motion. It goes up and down. Now, what we can do is we can either continue making if thens, but then at the same time you can't move that diagonal. I mean, like from here to there, you can't move like that. So we just make this entire same thing, duplicate it right there, and change it to left and right. Okay. Now this is change y. we just change x by minus 10. Okay, wait, sorry. Change x by 10 and this should be minus 10. One sec. Minus 10. Okay. So in this way, we have our movements ready. So let's just check it out. Okay. So we have our soccer balls movement ready. And so the code for the ball is like the first part is ready. And second thing we need is for the ball. So first we'll do the ball code. Now when green flag is clicked, another forever loop. When green flag is clicked, we want this to move like in one direction. We'll just say move 10, move 10, and also if then and again if then. So this code is quite confusing, but it's very easy. Move 10 steps on either side. So after that we can say if then if touching edge, where's touching edge? If touching edge, you see that? If touching edge, then we can go to motion and click on if on edge bounce option. So this is what happens. This keeps going in left and right. Okay. So right now I have not done it, like if it touches or anything. So we'll just stop it for now. Now it only goes left and right. So we'll just slowly take the direction to anything else so that it'll go in a different way. So now look at that. It goes like that. Different. Now, now we have the ball moving. Now we have to make sure that the ball, the soccer ball, stops everything if it touches the orange ball. So another forever loop for that. Green flag clicked forever. If then, if this ball is touching a soccer, so if touching ball, if touching the orange ball, then it will stop everything. So just go to controls, stop all, stops everything. Now let's just check it out. So this is just the first level. We can make even more. See, sometimes it doesn't touch, but it's because the ball has more. The ball has actually a small rectangle beside it. You see that? So if it's because you anyway you don't have to get too close to the orange ball. So now we need to make clones for this orange ball. So we just duplicate it. Now this part is a bit different. You have to take this thing and put it into a different thing. And now we don't want it to come at the same time. Or I mean we'll just keep a small break like level 1, level 2. So we just make the ball 2, second ball, to wait for 1 second or let's say 3 seconds. Wait for 3 seconds. And before that, we'll just hide it. Where is hide? Hide, hide, hide. Okay, there you are. So we need it to hide and then show only after those 3 seconds. So in that case, we have two levels and this ball, we can just keep it somewhere and change the direction a bit different than the other one. So now, when green flag clicked, we have, oh, sorry. So another issue is once it hits, if you press green flag again, it just continues staying there. So for that, we can also keep another when green flag click. So we just set this over here. Um, motion. go to this place. So it keeps on, this thing keeps on changing depending on where you keep it. See? So now it'll go there every time I click the green flag. So I'll be able to start. So now that I have two balls here, now if I touch one of them, it won't cause anything. That is because I'll have to manually set every ball for its outer point. So we just go to ball two. Now the soccer ball has only if it touches ball it stops. So we need to copy this, duplicate it, and then put this ball to ball two. In such a way, it even stops if it hits this. So we can just keep on repeating like this, keep on making more balls, and make an easy, simple and easy way to get this board done. Now I'll show you another project that I made. Oh, sorry. Another project that I made. Just a second. So once you add tons of other blocks like the the ball, orange balls, you can even make it look like this. Oh, sorry, I didn't click it properly. So you can keep adding more and more. I have like eight of them in this. Oh, eight, eight asteroids hitting. So yeah, we can just keep doing it like that. And you can. This is now the simple version. We can make other levels and easy stuff later. But this is the basic one, and I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.